Hello YouTubers, Jason and Lego One here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your skin in Minecraft. So, as you can see, I'm using a Mac. It will be completely the same with Windows. First, go to Minecraft.net. There will be a link in the description. You have to make sure that you're logged in as the user you want to change your skin. As this will not work for Cracked, I'll maybe make a video for Cracked, but not today. See, I'm logged in as Jason and Lego One. Go into profile down here, and it should take you to this. Make sure you don't close this. Just go to wherever your favorite skin was. In this case, mine's going to be in Planet Minecraft. If you wanna check out this page, there will be a link in the description. Go on to skins. Here you have all these wonderful skins. I'm just gonna pick a random one. Yeah, I'll just pick this one. Just click on it. For it now, it should say change skin, download skin. In this case, I'm just gonna change the skin. So it should take you directly to Minecraft.net, and it should say you are about to change the following skin. Is this what you want? Press change, and your skin has been changed. Just click off that. Let's go on to Minecraft. Just log in. So I just got a texture pack on. Let's just go to this world. See, I've changed my skin. If this helped, please rate, comment and subscribe for more Minecraft videos.